Good morning, class third. So today we are going to revise chapter 4, pre-witness, right? So we have already read this story, pre-witness, and now we are going to do true false of this chapter. And first is the old man who came to Akbar's court to seek justice lived under a mango tree. Is this true or false? This is false, right? The old man's neighbor was called Ramu. Yes, this is also false. The old man was not rich. True. Old man क्या था? Rich नहीं था ना? So next is Akbar asked the old man to produce the mango tree as a witness for his claim. This is also false. The neighbor knew that it would take the old man several hours before he returned to court. This is true. The mango tree was more than 15 miles from the emperor's court. This is false. Birbal found out that the neighbor had cheated the old man because he knew how far the court was from the mango tree. This is true. The old man was sad as he had no money left after his neighbor had cheated him, right? This is also a true. So these are the true false. So now we are going to revise the question answers. So you have given the sentence of A. Tell me your troubles, Babaji. The emperor said kindly, Birbal, and I will try to help you. So first question is, who was the emperor talking to? The emperor was talking to the old man. And next question is, what were this person's troubles? क्या थी उस person की trouble? Old man की. The old man was not able to get his money back. वो अपनी money जो थी वो वापस नहीं ले सकता था. किससे? Which he gave to his friend for safe keeping. जो उसने अपनी यात्रा से जाने से पहले अपने friend को दी थी. Before leaving on a long pilgrimage, right? Third question is, what does this conversation tell us about the emperor? ये जो conversation थी क्या बताती थी emperor के बारे में? The conversation between the old man and the emperor shows that the emperor is kind and helpful. ये जो conversation old man और emperor की थी ये क्या show कर रही थी कि जो emperor था वो जो अकबर था वो बहुत ही kind है और helpful है. Question number B. Oh no, he is not going to be back for several hours, right? So first question is, who said these words to whom? The neighbor said these words to Birbal, right? ये जो word हैं वो किसने बोले थे? Neighbor ने अपने जो these words to Birbal, ये neighbor ने Birbal को words जो थे बोले थे. Who would not be back for several hours and why, right? The old man would not be back for several hours because the mango tree was more than 3 miles away from the court and it would take him much time to return, right? Next question is, what did these words prove? These words prove, क्या ये जो words थे क्या prove करते थे? किया उन्होंने. These words prove that the neighbor certainly took the bag of coins from the old man as he knew the exact distance between the tree and the court. So these questions you have given in your chapter 4 on page number 41. So you have to write today. Okay students, bye bye and take care.